Two anglers, one big bass factory go head to head to see who is the best of the worst. This is the Derby of Degenerates.
Oh my God, did you see that?
Oh my God. Let's go, baby.
Dude, you gotta admit, this is kind of fun.
This is fun, dude. This is a lot of fun.
This right now, this is where all the giants live.
Let's freaking go, baby. Woo.
Each idiot will have 7 hours to catch the 5 largest bass. But here's the kicker. The last and final bite must come on the Bass Mafia Zal Dangerous swim bait.
You know what I had a good idea for? And let me know if you agree with this. And I'm totally down to do this. And this is for the loser, by the way. No one wins anything. You just don't want to be the loser. How about we take that giant pufferfish suit that you have at your house.
I got it.
You wear that pufferfish suit, you go to a Lake Fork boat ramp, and you go around asking people if they need help backing in their boat.
I got it, okay.
So without further ado, I introduce to you the Derby of Degenerates.
Ready? First cast. Count it off, Rob.
3, 2, 1.
I knew you were gonna do some. I'm starting with the dangerous.
I don't have one.
I've got some in
me.
there. Sorry, I'll pull one out. My bad. I got a little home turf advantage to be on the boat. Or I guess this is your home. Look how this, dude. Look at this grass.
I have no advantage whatsoever. I mean,
This is crazy.
Yeah, look, I've never oh my God, there's one right there.
That quick?
Yeah. Oh, it's not gonna help. It's a little stinker.
Stinky.
Dude, look at all the fish down there above the grass though.
Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna pull a swim bait for you because I feel bad.
There was never this much grass. I think we should do him a favor. I think we're gonna well all these ones. Like all these ones that are like this size.
Bring them home for a fish fry?
I think we should. Dude, we gotta do a little bit of a in-house cleaning. I bet you we catch over 100 fish, but by fall we've already caught 6, which we gotta counter somewhere up here. Here's number 6.
Out right now as we speak.
Next cast.
Another one? Dude. Better? Oh yeah, much better. That'll weigh.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
That'll weigh.
Oh my God, look how fat this fish is.
Fat.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, look how fat and healthy this fish is.
How big were they when you stocked these?
Oh, this is awesome. I love seeing this.
Oh my God, it's a 3-pounder all day.
Dude.
What the hell?
Look how fat that fish is. Look at that. Oh my God.
So just for reference, when Rob stocked these fish initially, how big were they?
This one might have been like fingerling, I guess.
About that big.
There's gonna be like, I paid extra for the 1.5-pound ones, and those ones should be about 5 to 6 now, I hope. But yeah, look, dude, look how, oh my God, this hasn't even spawned yet.
No, that's a pre-spawner.
This is a pre-spawn fish, dude. Oh my God, this is gonna get nutty.
All right, partner.
This is gonna get nutty.
First fish of the day. How big is she? I bet she goes well over 3. Oh my gosh.
Almost 4 pounds.
Almost 4 pounds.
314.
Okay, I'll write that down.
Wow. Hey, this is gonna get, yeah.
This could get good.
This is gonna get fun. 314 right there. Oh my God. Dude, hey, that's 2 casts, 2 fish. I'm not gonna say that this is gonna get stupid. Like, I could see us, imagine if we both had like 5-6 pounders today. We caught 30 pounds out of here.
That fish was young and healthy.
That was young. God.
Everything big blob in here is a bass.
Yeah, there's nothing else in here.
Oh, this is coming up. Another one.
Yeah, another one.
I got one chasing me.
Another like 3-pounder. Yep.
3 pounds. Oh, that's a nice one. Damn, I need a switch. I'm just trying to get a big one on the swim bait first.
Dude, this is, I love this. This it like makes me feel good just seeing it. This one's not that bad or big. It's 2.8.
2.8, take it.
I mean, this one's probably like what, 2 years old? 2.8.
Super young fish. This is so cool. I need to get a fish though. I was more productive at the boat ramp.
Oh! I mean, boom! Boom! Oh. Grass. Oh, there you go.
On the top.
There you go.
On the buzz bait. We got one on the Hummer. I don't think it's gonna help. No.
Now is it a
it's
weller?
Not gonna help. It's gonna be a weller.
Oh.
We're gonna cull this fish out.
Ah!
No.
No, I think you just throw him back in.
Back? Yeah,
I think
he's got potential. I'm not gonna weigh this fish, even though it is my
color on
first one.
So, you know what the difference is in that one, the one I've been catching?
What?
That's the northern strain.
Oh, you have northern strain here
Yeah,
too.
because it gets so
nice.
cold.
There you go, Stanky. Yeah, I was gonna say that fish looks a hell of a lot different.
Yeah, northern strain and F1s.
My first bass, probably should have weighed him, but I got confidence he'll get bigger.
I don't even know what kind of grass this is. Oh my God.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, there he is. He's got it.
He's got it. That was so crazy. Little stinker. Little stinker. Missed him once and he came back. That is the perks of fishing unpressured bass.
Oh yeah, dude. We're gonna see.
Throw him back, keep him. Looks like an F1 maybe.
Yeah, you throw him back. What are you going to do?
See you, buddy.
Dude, this kind of like slide around up in this shallow stuff. This I just want to see one on him, man.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Let me get under you real quick, Titty.
Now this one,
Here.
this one's gonna hit the box. Here
Alley-oop
you go.
that one.
Here, yeah, that one's going into the box. That's
Actually, I'll put these in my pond.
yeah. You can put
So
them
they don't die.
There you go. Oh my God, that's a good idea. And they're all F1s.
Yeah. I'm gonna start targeting my fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was a
Oh my God!
right
right
there.
at the boat. Right at the boat. No.
Nice.
You want them?
Throw that one back. Just gonna keep a couple little ones. Just 16.
16. Oh my golly.
Good one?
No, he's in a brush pile out there.
Sure thought just a...
He ate it right when.
Oh, it's a good one.
fish,
That's
yeah.
a weigher.
That's a
Oh,
weigher.
I got that.
You got one too?
Oh, I got a good one.
Yeah?
I got a good one. Yep. We're both hooked up to some better fish right now. I'm gonna weigh this one for sure.
Yeah, this one's getting weighed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, it's a good one.
Oh my gosh, I got a good one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Damn, this
My
is a
first keeper. Rob's
this is
got
a
his
good
third.
one. There's a good one right here too.
Mine, I think, might be big fish right now. Mine is nice. Oh my gosh. It's like a 4-pounder. It's like a 4-pounder, dude.
That's a good fish.
Oh! 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 On the Guggen dart. Oh my gosh. Let's go, baby.
Dude, you gotta admit, this is kind of fun.
This is fun, dude. This is a lot of fun.
This is like no thinking fishing.
Oh
right
my
here.
gosh. I'm good at not thinking, so this is perfect.
This is perfect for you.
3 pounds, 1 ounce.
3-1.
Just remember that.
3-1. I mean, that's still a quality fish. 3-1.
Rob's third keeper. This will be my first.
Good.
Oh wow.
5 pounds. Yeah.
5 pounds.
Yeah.
2 ounces.
That's
Let's
good.
go.
That's awesome.
Let's freaking go, baby. Woo! Nice
Oh.
fish. Rob, you know how to grow up some bass.
I kind of forgot this was here.
First 5-pounder of the day. Probably gonna catch some more too. After seeing that, definitely it's gonna take, I think, 23, 25.
Yeah,
to
I
win.
know. 100%. I got another one on.
Got a good
Alright. Yeah.
Yours was 3-1, mine was 5-2. This is good grass for the shad to spawn in too, man.
Oh my God! Did I just get hammered?
Good one.
I mean,
Looks good.
hammered. He's either big. Yeah, he's good. Oh, he
It
came
came
off. Oh God.
I got a good one. Oh, not quite. I don't think it's gonna help me. Oh, dang. Felt like that last bite.
Dang. I just lost a good one.
19.
Oh
Oh gosh.
God! Look, he strip drag. He strip drag right there.
Oh, that's a keeper. Oh, dude, what the hell? What the hell?
Oh, he strip dragged
Dude,
the boat.
there's a totally different class of fish over on this side.
This is great. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This might have been the one I just like hooked a second ago. He was about the same size. Or there could just be a whole bunch in here like this. This is fun. I don't care who you are. This is fun.
You almost got a limit. You're 1 away.
3-8.
Gosh, dude.
3-8.
Rob is officially 1 bite away from a limit.
3-8. I'm just gonna throw this out there just because. Just, I don't even know
It's
why.
gonna be kooky.
What's
bro.
that?
It's gonna be kooky.
Think anything will happen to it?
Oh yeah, I think it'll get
This was
to-
tied on, so I'm just gonna go with Grant laying more on their ass.
You gotta talk like this though.
Yeah.
Yo, I just caught it on the swim bait. Bro.
My patience level for these things is not too high.
especially when they're just eating everything else.
Everything else is like, okay, well, that was a waste of a cast.
Rob has been all morning throwing the moving baits, throwing a bladed jig with a happy trailer, Guggen happy trailer, and this is what I'm throwing right now. It got me the biggest bite of the day, and it's an amazing way to fish these grassy lakes. Whether you're fishing private or public, Guggen Dart 5-inch is the money. I'm throwing a natural color, like a watermelon blue flake, because the main forage in here is bluegill. It's stocked with bluegill, and that's probably what they're eating right now because of bluegill on beds. If you guys want to check some of these out, use my code, or use Rob's code. It'll be right here, save 10% off your order. These are deadly. This is a deadly weightless rig that just gets them to chew when they're not wanting to eat anything else. And it gets some really big bites too. On this swim bait?
Yep.
No way.
Yep, there's a
your
dangerous one.
fifth fish right there.
Come on, be one that's going to get weighed at least.
I don't think it's gonna get weighed.
I don't think it's going to get
You
weighed.
can if you want.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, he's risking
I
it.
could ski him all the way across the top. He's
Risking
going
it.
back to your house.
Oh,
like,
there-
isn't that kind of goofy?
There's a bass.
Like, look at what these fish eat. Like, does that make any sense at all? Caleb, this one is going to John's. I watched that thing fall into the ground. I watched it fall all the way to the water. Too.
We're not gonna be throwing this anymore, I don't think. Okay. All right.
Oh, God.
Alrighty then.
Oh, sorry.
That was fun.
That was kind of funny to watch.
What the hell, dude?
Watch your side plate fall.
$300 reel.
Fall
Gone.
right down into the water.
Gone. Shout out to Daiwa. Appreciate it, guys. Real good looking stuff here. Well, current score is Rob has 4 fish. I'm still working on my second bass. We've definitely caught each a limit, but I think we're being a little stingy given the fact that we know what's lurking in this lake and not weighing in some of these smaller ones. Like I said, I think it's gonna take at least 23 pounds to win.
Oh, there's one.
Is that a good one? Oh, damn. That was a good one. Seems like they're really on like bluegill patterns. Or actually, I take that back. You just caught that on a white shad color. It seems like they're literally eating everything, but specifically Rob's got most of his fish.
I was gonna alley oop it to the John.
We're gonna put this in the meat bucket.
We have a meat bucket going on.
Seems like they're mostly on the moving baits right now. The bladed jigs, the Guggen Grass Heroes, the darts.
I would have never expected this much grass to be in this place.
It's a lot of grass.
It's a
Actually, it's
lot
tough
of
to
grass.
fish, but
Yeah.
if you can fish around it, you're getting bigs. Oh, there's a nice one. Look at the size of that one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Sink. Oh yeah, he sees it.
Oh, did you get him? Got him. Good. You got him.
Biggin, dude, giant.
Oh!
Oh my God,
there
it's
we
a
go,
giant,
it's a
dude.
giant.
Oh my God, it's a giant. On the grass here. Oh, dude, that might go high fives. That might go high fives. Oh, I can't get very many like 2s and 3s, but I could definitely get these decent ones to bite. Oh, come here, old Sally. Woo! Let's freaking go, dude. I almost went in the water. Oh, I'm not getting very many bites today, but I'm able to find these bigger ones, and they're eating. Oh, dude, it's got a tag in it. Did you tag this?
Oh my God, I did.
You did tag this. How long ago?
You caught a tagged one?
I caught a tagged fish. You have to. Is there a number on this?
I caught that fish.
Do you know if these are numbered? Can you look back
Dude,
at the
you know
video?
how crazy that is?
That is
I
so
caught that
nice.
fish.
You
Yeah.
caught it and put it in here?
I'm the one that tagged it.
Wait, you caught it in a different lake? Or
No,
you caught
here.
it in here? Oh wow.
I caught it and during a video.
It's like a green tag.
Dude, oh my God, do we have the number on it? Or is it even on there
I
anymore?
don't think it's on there anymore.
Dude, yeah,
It's
there's
full of algae.
I cannot believe you just did that. Yeah, I tagged that fish. I watched all the shit on how to tag correctly and so it doesn't hurt the fish.
I don't think there's a number or anything on it. So this bass at one point in time was caught by Rob and was only 1 pound. Now it's probably close to 6. We're gonna get a weight on her. My second fish. Let's freaking go.
Well, at least we know that if they're out here, you're gonna catch them. What's it going?
5 pounds, 1 ounce. We got 10 pounds for 2 fish, baby.
So in a 2-year span or so, the thing gained 4 pounds.
All right, send this 5 pounder back. This tagged 5 pounder. Look at that little tag in his tail. That's so cool. Grow another 5 pounds, old girl. Dude, that fish could be 10 pounds in like 2 or 3 years. That's how fast they grow in here. Caught that one on the Caught that one on the old half-ounce grass hero. Saw him on live. So sick, dude.
What do we got going on here?
Brush pile.
Brush
Oh,
pile.
big one, big one,
Big
big
one?
one.
Oh!
Oh my God.
He didn't eat
That was
it.
a big one. No, he's coming back, he's coming back.
Got him.
Got him.
Biggin? Giant?
Not as big as the last one, but it's a good one. I'm gonna weigh this one.
You're gonna weigh it?
I'm gonna weigh this
After that, yeah.
Whew, there we go. We graduated from the grass to the brush piles, and they're hidden down under there eating bluegill, presumably, and since they're eating gills, we catch them on the grass hero. Probably about maybe close to 2. It's not gonna help me much, that's for sure. But I need to fill out a limit. I need to start throwing that dangerous swim bait around. Trick a big shad eater into biting. £2 even. 2-pounder. Kiss him, spank him, send him back.
That could be a good one.
That looks good. Oh yeah, nice one.
That could be a good one.
Might be an upgrade.
I actually let it.
Oh,
wow, that's a
an
good one.
upgrade.
I let that one eat for a second.
Yeah, I saw that.
Let him eat. That's a good
3-pounder.
one. I think it's bigger than a 3-pounder, buddy.
Oh yeah, that is. That's a freaking nice one.
That's a good fish.
Golly.
That's a good fish. That's a good one. That's a good one, buddy. Come on, don't you pop off right here, buddy.
Pop off, come on.
Don't you
Come
do
on.
it. No. Don't you try to scare my fish like
Oh
that.
no,
He ain't
dude, that's a
coming
nice one.
Ah, he ain't coming off.
Blind. Buddy got blind.
Wow, he is blind in one eye.
Upgrade.
Upgrade. What did I say? I was going to whip out the fish call, and you're like, they're not eating my swim jig. What do you think? Upgrade? I think it's an upgrade.
Yeah, what do you have, a 2 to get rid of? 2 something?
I don't remember.
2 like 6, I think it is.
2.6.
Yeah, something like that.
Is this my 5th fish? Oh no, it doesn't matter because I have to catch one on the
on the Zell Dangerous.
on the dangerous. Well, I think this is good timing to give me an upgrade then. Wow, actually a really big upgrade.
4?
314.
Wow. 3. Wow, damn.
314.
Almost a 4 yalma.
Almost a 4-pounder. Look how healthy that fish is though, dude. Look how short that tail is.
Dude, there's so much shad over here.
God, there is so much going on in this thing.
Wow, there's shad all over the place.
314, son. All right, I gotta pick up that dangerous again. You know, this fish, this place is always gonna be great with the amount of grass it has.
Keep those fish safe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some quick pea brain math here. What was that one? 314? You have 2 314s.
314. Oh, I got 2 of them.
Yeah. Rob has got 2 314s, a 3-1, a 3-8, and I've got a 5-2 and a 5-1. He is now focusing all of his efforts on the Zell Dangerous swim bait because that is the final bait that you have to catch your 5th fish on.
Damn, I've got almost like 14 pounds.
So you've got, let's just round up. Let's say 4 plus 4, that's 8, plus 3 is 11. You've got like probably close to 14, 15 pounds.
That's pretty dang good for right now, yeah.
But
you got 10 on 2.
I got 10 for 2.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going for them biggins. But if Rob catches like a 5 or 6 right now on the Zell Dangerous, I'm in deep trouble.
Yeah.
Deep trouble.
I just got absolutely mollywopped. That's gonna help.
Gosh.
No. Stop!
How many pounds or ounces?
I think I got you by like 6 ounces.
Okay, you know what I have?
Well, yeah.